We are here on Fort Myers Beach, sunny Southwest Florida, and we are talking about modular homes. It has been a craze here on Fort Myers Beach. There are so many good opportunities on the beach. I'm here with Alex King of real estate here on Fort Myers Beach. Alex, modulars, what have you heard about them? What are your people looking to invest in the area saying, and what are your thoughts on them?
It's an incredible opportunity. Folks, a year ago in January, I went down to the Florida Keys to see for myself dozens of elevated luxury custom modular homes. I climbed up the ladder, saw them put together. I've seen houses worth $3 million, $2 million in the Florida Keys. Well, guess what? It's here now, and it's going to look even better.
Great point. So some of the things you hit on are these modulars a lot of times have a negative connotation. People think they're mobile homes or trailers. Couldn't be further from the truth. These are wood framed homes built in a factory, delivered and installed on site. Customization. A lot of people think that customization is not possible in modular homes. It's this way or the highway. Couldn't be further from the truth. Fully customizable. Interior paint colors, interior finishes, designs, fully customizable. So some people could say that quality is even better than a stick frame home on site because it's built in a factory under controlled conditions. Construction time. We're going from 12-month construction window to a 5 to 6 month construction window. We all know about the interest rates, 10+%. Time is money. When you're saving about half the time building with modular, that is huge. So if you've got any questions about real estate, construction, modular, non-modular, customization, non-customizations, click the link below. I've got a free ebook, ins and outs of all the construction on Fort Myers Beach. We want to help. Boots on the ground, call us.
And you can find me. We have an office on Fort Myers Beach, 100 Lovers Lane, that 3-story yellow building. Or click the link below. Check out our website, currentlux.com.